in Cambridge, which is a little town in the Waikato in New Zealand, and this looks like a lovely little unassuming stream here in this park, which it is. But this water feature that they've got coming down this hill that ends up in that little stream, it's got to be one of the best public water features I think I've seen. So it's got a whole series of these leaf or shapes, different sizes, all the way up that feed into each other. I think it's amazing, and it just keeps on going up the slope. It all starts from this mossy little rock pond, and there's the name and the sculptor. Been here since 1989. Well done, Ian Trousdale. I like that a lot. At the very top of the stairs from that waterfall, there's this little park, and it's full of helleborus. I mean, it's always been a good-looking little country town. I guess it's not as little as it once was, but just the trees in the garden in this park, which is right on the side of the road there. A few older houses over there too, so it's an old established area. So I'm going to head back down these stairs and back down the waterfall, and I will show you what the waterfall looks like as we go down. Quite impressive, like I said. It's not showy with, well, I don't think it has lights, I don't know, it's daytime, but it's not spouting up like a big fountain or anything. It's just running quite well all the way down this slope. I haven't counted how many shapes there are to make up this water feature. Quite a few, different sizes too, but they're all the same, almost the same form. Some of them have got pointy sort of leaves and some of them haven't. There's one there that's just rounded on both pieces, that one there. But most of them have one point. And it's looking down the last chute, down to the end, back to that stream where we first started. So they're obviously man-made shapes with the moss on them, and the colour of that sort of slight peachy colour. Terracotta sort of peachy. Yeah, I think it's very good. I just met a woman walking up the stairs with her dog and she agreed that it was fantastic. There's a big lake. Well, it's not that big a lake, but there's a reasonable sized lake to stroll around here. There's a small car park, and there's endless paths going up out of this lower area up to the top where I was, all the way around. There's paths going up and down. But well worth a visit if you're passing by.